What's up, fashionistas? I'm Ariel, aka Fashion Ari, and on this channel we do a lot of fashion and sewing. So today we're going to be revamping or setting up my new sewing space. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that we just moved to Austin, Texas. We're from Florida. We took that drive and now we're based here. And in this space, I have a large area to make my sewing room, so I'm so excited. In our last place, it was a 1-bedroom apartment and I did make it work there and I liked my setup there, but this is gonna be amazing. It's so much more space and I can't wait to set it up. It's going to be half my sewing room, half my kids' play area. As you know, if you're a mom, Mommy! Yes, okay. If you're a mom, you already know where you are, the kids are. So I definitely want to make this a comfortable space for all of us.
Here's the space. It's upstairs. This is supposed to be like a living room, but we already have one downstairs, so this would be the perfect space for me to work and then for the kids to play as well. I just threw everything up here. This is my box of sewing stuff and the kids' toys and supplies, and everything is just thrown up here. I'm starting to get orders, so I really want to make this cute and organized, and there's lots of space to work with, so let's get started. Let me flip it around. I put my little hair things in. I don't know why I always have them out because they look a hot mess on camera. But yeah, my nails need to be done. These are my natural nails. They're long on this side, short on this side, and they're ashy. Well, I have eczema on this, but yeah, my hair needs to be washed. I feel like crap. I put a little bit of makeup on, so I feel better about myself, but yeah, I just really want to get this set up so I can get moving into the swing of things. And I already got a couple orders. I finished this one already. And I have some pants I need to make. So I definitely want to get this organized so I can get back into the swing of sewing and also creating videos. Sarah, she helped me.
Yeah, help her out a little bit.
We're literally sweating, but we got the box up here.
So now, oh honey, just messing with the camera. But oh my god, I'm so hot. I'm going to put the kids' toy box together that I bought. It's just a little storage bin to put their toys. I think I'm gonna set up the basket here and then the box here. I just finished cooking. We just finished eating. And I'm nice and full. And I want to continue working on my studio. I just put the kids to bed. Psych. I'm just kidding. My kids are up. We are night owls. It's the weekend, so everybody's up. So I'm just going to continue working on this space.
So messy.
What's going for? It's lava.
Flimsy. But I'm about to put the desk together.
No, we're.
Hours later.
It's real ghetto. I don't have a hammer. So I'm using this.
I changed the iron board cover here so it matches the space. Here's my sewing desk, and then on the side here I have a file bin storage, and this is where I keep my patterns that I've made. That's all organized there. And this is my thread organizer, my calendar. Osiah's birthday is this month. This right here is the overhead tripod, so I could finally have that over the cutting table when I'm demonstrating. And this is the pegboard. I organized some sketches of my packaging, a lookbook, and just some fabric and things that I need on hand. And that's the setup. I love how this came out, and it's all organized. Some of my designs, of course, that just ties in the room together so I could see that. That's a cutting mat. I don't know where to put that, but I just left it under the rack for now. My dress form will stay by the rack until I'm working, and then I'll move it by my table. This is the kids area. It came out so cute. I love this sign I put up towards the end, and it just ties in the whole room together. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's so cozy and also set for work.
So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend. Let me know down below what you want to see from me. The next video should be a sewing tutorial, and I have lots of ideas. So yes, definitely follow, and until next time, you guys, bye.